Today we're doing active track testing with the DJI Mini 3 Pro and the Skydio 2 Plus. So let's get into it. Okay, so after a couple flights with each drone, the conclusion I've come to is that the Skydio 2 Plus is much more robust, it's faster, its obstacle avoidance doesn't get disabled like the DJI Mini 3 Pro does during active track, and the speed on the Skydio 2 is way faster. Also, I found that even though the DJI 3 Mini Pro did hold up to following the car parallel and from behind, it didn't do as well. The speed wasn't there. You have to make sure that it was at a certain height or you couldn't do a parallel tracking. And yeah, so overall they both passed up to They both worked up to 60 kilometers an hour, about that. I don't know what that is in miles, so you guys will have to figure that out yourselves. But yeah, the Skydio 2 is a little bit more expensive, and it has a little bit more robust system and better obstacle avoidance and subject tracking. Though the Skydio 2 I can find is also kind of finicky. When you launch it, it kind of has like a mind of its own a little bit until you get it figured out. But overall, both great drones and super cool. I'm super impressed with the DJI Mini 3 Pro. Now you guys might want to know why I did active track tests with the Mini 3 Pro and the Skydio 2 Plus. They are pretty close in price if you buy the starter pack with the Skydio 2 Plus and the Fly More combo with the DJI Mini 3 Pro. So that's really like what you're looking for in a drone. If you're looking for like a all-around kind of drone, the DJI Mini 3 is your best bet. But if you're looking for like subject tracking, you want to do like a, you know, you want to follow a dirt bike or a car, or you want to have more of a robust obstacle avoidance system, then the Skydio 2 Plus is your go-to. Though the DJI Mini 3 Pro has a lot of other use cases, you know what I mean? So it really just depends on what you want in a drone and what you're looking for, and probably the DJI Mini 3 Pro is your best bet. But if you really want to focus on subject tracking, then you want to get the Skydio 2 Plus is definitely what you want to buy. Though it is over 250 grams, so you will have to register it and you will have to need a certificate to fly. Anyways, thanks for watching and see you in the next one.